Okay. The next is health infrastructure. This is about the community health infrastructure, external stakeholders. If any health infrastructure, public health infrastructure can be impacted by the project. There is a clinic on Das Island, no health infrastructure on or around the, no public health infrastructure. There is no public health infrastructure. Obviously, there are no communities. So no impacts, foreseen impacts on the health infrastructure. Security infrastructure, CISPA office is on Das Island, but not being impacted by the project activities. Mining, quarry, agriculture, forest, farming, fishing, hunting grounds. This is about the ecosystem services, natural resources being acquired or used by the local communities. No mining, quarry, agriculture, farming, fishing, hunting grounds at site or surroundings. This statement we have put similar to previous, that there might be possible fishermen can accidentally come close to, by mistake, come close to the site and may be impacted by the loss of some time. The possibility of fishermen unintentionally enter restricted areas. Coast Guard or CISPA shall inform fishermen about restricted areas. However, during pipeline installation, fishing activities by the locals may be restricted. During the it will be permanently restricted, not during the. So the impact is the same, which we have already discussed, that they may lose some time for fishing. This is notable and rare, because they know that these are restricted areas. So at rare, sometimes anyone can come there, but not regularly. And same mitigation measure, that engagement with those fishing communities. Commerce, there is no commercial activities on the side. In industry, there are ADNOC and other industries available at Das Island and Musafa Industrial Zone, however, not impacted by the project activities. Environmental disturbances, there might be visual impacts, noise, vibration, release of light. These impacts will be discussed in environmental studies, which for that ANVID has already been conducted, and as per ANVID, there are no major impacts. However, some minor impacts are identified. We can discuss in the EIA. And the mitigation measure is implementation of the EIA recommendations, if there are any. The question number 3 is about this question was about the environmental impacts. If there are any environmental impacts, and then question 3 comes that if there are environmental impacts, how those impacts are affecting the local communities or external stakeholders. There are 2 things. Sometimes there are environmental impacts. There is air pollution or things. But if there are no communities, no one is going to be impacted by social consequences. So this question is about the social consequences of environmental effects. First one is visual impacts. There are no communities close by, therefore not applicable, no impacts. H2S
can we have a break for 10-15 minutes, 15 minutes?
Yes, we can.
If the team is okay with it.
Scheduled it at 11, but we can take any time when we. Actually, it's okay.
No, it is up to the team. It is just my proposal.
Yeah, if someone has other ideas, otherwise we'll go a 15-minute break right now.
Yeah, we have no problem, and we can take this
10 minutes.
Okay.
Come back at 11.
11 is okay. Come back.
Yes.
Okay, we'll be back at 11. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.